here I have OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find Do Not Disturb button. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. You can also access some of its settings if you hold down your finger on this button. So here you can, for example, add a schedule for this mode, like you can change its name, select start time, end time, and also on which days this schedule will be repeated. You can add exceptions for this mode. For example, it could be notifications. You can add all notifications to the exceptions, like you can add only on status bar, only banners, only notification badges. You can also add lock screen notifications to these exceptions. You can add messages to the exceptions. It could be messages from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. The same goes for calls. You can also have this option ring for repeat call if the second call from the same number within 3 minutes will be not silenced. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.